Are you tired of endlessly scrolling for a new hairstyle that's gorgeous, but simple enough to do yourself? Well, you can stop searching. I'm going to show you how to get it done in just a few minutes. Hey loves, and welcome back. The natural hair struggle can be real, especially when you don't have time for a full twist out. Trust me, with the right products and technique, this flawless finish is totally achievable. Section 1, Preparation and Products. Alright, let's get into what you'll need. My hair is a few days old and stretched, which is perfect. The key is hydration and a strong holding gel. Here's your list: a spray bottle with water, a moisturizing cream, a strong hold gel, and edge control. For tools, you'll want a firm bristle brush, a rat tail comb for parting, and a couple of hair ties. That's it. Section 2, Step-by-step tutorial. First, lightly mist your hair with water. Now take a generous amount of your moisturizing cream and work it all through from roots to ends. This is a protective style, so don't skip this part. Next, use your comb to create a clean part right down the middle. Then take your bristle brush and start brushing it down until it's smooth. Repeat that on the back half. Add gel and brush it all down until it's gathered at the nape of your neck. Once it's all brushed down, grab a hair tie and secure it in a low ponytail. Make it snug, but not painfully tight. Now, just 2-strand, twist the ponytail. Section 3, Final touches and reveal. We're almost done. For that flawless finish, take a tiny bit of edge control and gently swoop your edges. Tie a silk scarf around your hairline. Leave this on for about 5 to 10 minutes to set. And there she is, a simple, beautiful, and super chic low bun that you can do right at home. CTA in conclusion, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope this tutorial helps you find that perfect, easy go-to style. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you plan to rock this style. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.